said to her he wasn't participating in the searches because he didn't want to find his wife dead under a tree. But it came out in cross-examination that what he actually said was to her was that he didn't want to find her dead lying in the woods somehow. And remember, that's how his son was found, dead by suicide, a gunshot, I believe we heard, lying in the woods somehow. And he didn't want to go through that again because he knows that a search party is to search for a dead body after a weeks and a month. Your thoughts, Josh?
It's a really good point, especially for the defense. If they can show that that wasn't him forecasting that he already knew that she was dead and where she was going to be found, but if he's really thinking back to his son, and that's the reason why he made the comment that he did. So if the defense can highlight that, I think they're going to do well. It's interesting to me, too, that it looks as though the defense has abandoned, at least in these questions that we've been watching now, the idea that this was an actual suicide. And instead, they're just defending him as being the person who caused her death. In other words, they're not providing the jury with an alternative as to, she committed suicide or here's another suspect, but just our client didn't do it. At least it seems that way from the way that these questions have been played out.
And Neil,